In this video, we will be understanding the various aspects covered and various aspects and about the company Paytm. So Paytm, as you know, is a brand of 197 Communication Limited. So in this IPO, when you are applying for shares of Paytm, you are not getting shares of Paytm because Paytm is a brand and 197 is a company. So we will be allocated shares of 197 Limited. As written, Paytm was incorporated in year 2000 as 197 Limited. Paytm is a leading digital ecosystem consumer for the merchant. So what this line says that whenever you use any digital application, Paytm is a leading player in that market. As of 31st March, Paytm has 33 crores 30 lakhs client base and 22.12 crore 10 lakhs registered merchant offering their payment service. The company was incorporated in year 2000, but it launched its app called Paytm app to offer cashless payment service to consumer in year 2009. Most payment brands with total brand value of 6.3 billion. Competitive strength of Paytm over its peer. So it is the largest lending digital payment services. Strong brand identity. Brand value of Paytm is 6.3 billions. So 42, it's around 50,000 crores. Large customer base with 33 crore customers, 11 crore annual transacting user and 2.1 crore merchant. So now we come to the financial summary. The Paytm has 9,459 crores of asset as on 30th June, revenue around 948 crores and loss of 381 crores. So revenue to loss is 33%. So for a profitable company and old age company, we used to calculate profit as a percentage of revenue. Now loss is a percentage of revenue. So wider the loss, more with the valuation. That is a fundamental to value a startup. So if we are having more losses, you will be valued more. And if you are incurring less losses, then you will be not value given the values as per the peer, the venture capitalist. So that's a valuation funda. What was the objective? Means the Paytm is raising 18,000 crores from public where this money will be utilized. So they write in the prospectus as follow: growing and strengthening the payment ecosystem, including through acquisition and retention of customers, consumers, merchants, and providing them greater access to technology and financial service. So 4,300 crores will be utilized for marketing expenditure. Growth means marketing. So they will give more cashback. This 4,300 will be spent out for giving cashbacks, promotions, more incentives to merchant onboarded on their sites, more incentive to customer using Paytm wallets. Then second is investing in new business acquisition and strategic partnership. So some venture capitalists would have invested in Paytm. Now Paytm is big giant, so they are raising money from public. They are getting public money. Now they will be investing in certain new age startup and increasing their valuation. In return, Paytm valuation will increase. In return, the investors who have invested in the early stage will get more returns, and general corporate purpose yani paying salaries and all, because revenue is very low, expenses are very high, they are running into losses. To fund their losses, they are getting into the IPO. As you know, the IPO started on 8th of November, closed on 10th November. By the time I am making videos on 15th of November, the IPO has been fully subscribed. Basis of allotment would have also been tomorrow you will receive your money as a refund. Your shares will be credited on 17th. 18th is a listing. So I know the listing would be a discount of 10%. Yeah. So subscribe 1.89 as on 10 now. The public subscribe one retail category QIB. So that's it for the that was a basic price. Now we will go to the review. Review of Divlip Davda. What are the reviews by the market players? What we will go to the conclusion. Dilip Devda initial capital, dividend 197 pro IPO review. Conclusion. No doubt this company is mega player in the digital ecosystem. So the investors are not doubting on the potential of the company, but the top line has remained almost static. So what he is saying, there is no growth in the company. Earlier it was earning 1000 crore, now it is also earning 1000 crore. Earlier loss was 400 crores, now loss is 400 crores. So year on year there is no changes. So going for 100 year also the revenue would be in the same line, and the top line would be the same. They are the three fiscal incurring loss. So yes, not three fiscal years from start it is making losses. All this and remain in that near term, and as per the statement as well. So what is being stated in the Paytm, that they will be in loss. They won't be making profits, but they will create economic value for their investors. In it has huge carried forward losses and negative earning, thanks to premium collected for placements that have helped this company to post positive NAV. Premium collected from for placements that have helped this company to post positive NAV. Issue prices with negative P, its market cap is 1,40,000 crores. In same parity with Tata Steel, all the PSC banks, five top 10 private banks from the bottom out of three banks would have same market capitalization. However, considering the madness of unicorn and high-tech sector companies in recent past, means people is mad over the startup paper indicating change in sentiment for investing parameters. All the front the issue extraordinary price discounting and near positive on late entrance enters with threat hence cash surplus, and he is saying he is not given any review. Then subscription is, as we know, that it is 1.89 times. HNI calculator, HNI. So HNI interest rate, HNI funding cost, NI. Okay. HNI, that is news, gray market premium. So what would be your game on the listing day? We will easily check on gray market. IPO date Sagachi 138%. IPO price, estimated listing price, Sigachi one Paytm estimated listing price is same as around 1.21% higher compared to the IPO price. So might be it will be settling 5% or 10% downwards size only. So yes, that's it. That's it for the video. Thanks for connecting. If you like this video, do comment down below, and if there are any suggestions, your analysis will definitely interested in hearing that also. Thank you.